Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make really easy, really delicious, no-bake peanut butter cookies with just these 5 ingredients. And the recipe is low-carb, keto-friendly, gluten-free, and just so delicious to make and easy to put together. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin, bookmark, and save for whenever you want to make these no-bake peanut butter cookies. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give these cookies a try. And I will get straight into it now. So these are all the ingredients that we have for the cookies today. We've got peanut butter, of course, for our peanut butter cookies. I'm using smooth peanut butter, but you can feel free to use chunky peanut butter instead if you want that textural experience. I've got stevia as my sweetener of choice. You can use whatever sweetener you like. I've got flaked almonds and desiccated coconut over there, which are my dry ingredients I'm going to mix together, and butter. I've got unsalted butter to bring everything together. Now this recipe is so easy to put together, and I like to get as prepared as possible before melting my butter and peanut butter together. So I'm going to line a baking tray with baking paper, grease it really well, so when the cookies are ready it's just a matter of dropping them onto the baking paper. And we're going to get out a bowl and mix together our coconut and almonds, so that's ready to go too. So into a bowl we're going to pop half a cup of our desiccated coconut, and I've got a 100-gram bag of flaked almonds going in, that which works out to be about a cup or so. And we'll just give it all a mix together to get it incorporated. Now you can use any nuts. You can use peanuts, which you can crush up. You can use almonds, cashews, mix the nuts up. I just like keeping it simple, couple of ingredients, and using just these flaked almonds. So that's it for our dry ingredients. And now I'm going to mix together in a saucepan the butter, peanut butter, and stevia. Now I like to mix the stevia through with the peanut butter and butter just so it melts in and dissolves, and so that is what I'm going to do. So I'll just move those aside, and what I've actually done is popped into a saucepan half a cup of our peanut butter, 50 grams of butter, and a quarter of a cup of stevia. And I'm going to pop this over medium heat and melt it all together, keeping an eye, mixing all the time, just until we've got a beautiful, smooth, creamy mixture. So initially it's one big creamy peanut butter mix, and then just slowly it all melts together and becomes beautiful and smooth. It really doesn't take long at all for everything to loosen up, but we want all that butter to melt until we've got a really smooth, cohesive, creamy mixture. And there you go, the last of the butter is almost melted. As soon as that's done, we'll take it straight off the heat and pour it into our nuts and coconut mixture. So we're back at the nuts and coconut, and we're going to pour over our beautiful peanut butter mixture and then mix it all through, just like this. Now it is quite a wet and sticky cookie dough. It's not quite the dense cookie dough you might be used to, but once it's set in the fridge it sets up beautifully, so do not despair. Just get everything nicely incorporated, and then we're going to pop it straight onto our baking tray which we prepared. So make sure you've got a baking tray with well greased baking paper, and we're going to drop a tablespoon per cookie. So it's all come together nicely. Just those 5 ingredients create such a beautiful cookie. So now I'll pop them onto the baking tray. So I'll move my mixture out, pop the tray in, making a bit of a noise and a mess. But so now we just drop about a tablespoon per cookie onto the cookie tray. It is a bit of a warm mixture, but flatten it out a bit, and they're just going to fill up the tray, and they will harden in the fridge beautifully. So my tray is now full of beautiful cookies with a tablespoon per cookie. This batter makes about 12 really generous, beautiful cookies. Look at them all over here. They're just beautiful. And now they need to go in the fridge for a good few hours to harden and crisp up and set, and then you'll be able to enjoy your no-bake peanut butter cookies, and I'll show you what they look like in a few hours. and the cookies are out of the fridge and they've hardened up, and if you take a look at one, it's just beautiful. They're perfect cookies. They've got a lovely crunch to them. They're crisp and perfect peanut butter cookies that, as you saw, were no bake. They're low carb, keto friendly, gluten free, and just so yum. The whole family love them, and I've been making batch after batch the last few weeks, and I'm sure you're gonna love them too. So that is the video for today for these beautiful no bake peanut butter cookies. Make sure that you check down below for the link to the blog post, which you'll be able to click through to pin, bookmark and save for whenever you want to make these lovely cookies. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this cookie recipe a try and what cookies you'd like me to create next for you. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!